Building better Africa.
Declare my interest that the point that I would like to raise now was also raised at committee level when suggestions were being brought. And although by the rule of majority I did not succeed in my view, I still would like to pursue that view before this larger house.
Honorable Member for Nkhondo Central, I hope you are making your contribution to the report on the floor.
Yes.
Please, go ahead.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I believe that a member of parliament is president at constituency level. And as president, responsibility admittedly falls on the member of parliament for projects that don't make sense to the aspirations of the people. We have learned from history that those that wanted to handle leadership from an armchair or a swivel chair failed miserably. And more so in our country, where projects are managed very chaotically, you'd want to have the right to supervise the projects that are taking place in your constituency. I don't believe it is correct, neither morally nor legally, that a member of parliament should pass by a bridge construction project where one bag of cement is being mixed with a whole lorry of sand, and you should not be able to stop them. Just because if you do that, you are conflating your roles. I don't think it is right. Admittedly, broken projects will be brought to you for you to answer by the constituents. I think the proposition that MPs should not be able to supervise projects is wrong and completely wrong. We cannot sit there and watch contractors deliver half-baked projects just because somebody protested, either a councillor or some busy body which is an NGO, which was not even elected by anyone. Somebody protested that we should not do that. I think that is wrong. This house must be bold enough to face anyone there who was not elected by the people. No one has protested against us for proposing to supervise these projects amongst those that voted for us. And who else should bully us if not our voters? I do move, Mr. Speaker, sir, that this House does reconsider that proposition, that the report be amended to allow an MP, at the very least, to have the power to supervise the construction projects taking place in his area. Without that, Mr. Speaker, sir, the problem, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, can I have your attention a little bit? The problem with that, Mr.
Let's
Deputy
hear the
Speaker,
honourable member in silence.
The problem, Honourable Deputy Speaker, sir, is that whatever the deliberations that are taking place around this proposed bill will form part of the material that will inform the court in interpreting this law if somebody challenges it. And if it goes into the report and into the hazard finally, that we did not want to supervise, there it is dead. We cannot do anything. Because when interpreting the law, the court would seek to meet the intention of Parliament. And the intention of Parliament can only be discovered through the deliberations that were taking place in the background of the law. And if we agree here that we can supervise, we have no chance to correct that. This House has to amend this report and give ourselves the power to supervise. It's dangerous to be a president who cannot stop a shoulder project. It's very dangerous, and we should not take that path. I submit.
Not knowing how.
Thank you very much, Honourable Member, for those submissions.
Club Junta, building better Africa.